video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Alright, so for my base, I usually go for either the Honey Do Me Up by NYX primer, or I use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh primer. So today I think I'm going to go with the Honey Do Me Up. I just got this, so yeah, I'm going to use it, the new one. It's so sticky, but I love it. It's such a good primer. So what I do is I just put it on my fingers, just like that. And then I start to rub it into my face. Alright, so for more of an everyday type of look, I like to go in with the e.l.f. Kimbo CC Cream. As you guys saw in the last video, I actually reviewed that. So if you want to see the review on that, you can go watch that video. I just pump a little bit on the back of my hand. I usually do about a pump and a half. And then I got my beauty blender. Alright, so I actually want to talk to you guys about my 2021 goals and like what I want to achieve this year, especially on this channel. So yeah, I want to talk to you guys about that. So I really am bad at uploading videos and like filming them on time. So I'm really bad at like filming videos and like uploading them on time and everything and being consistent. So my goal for this year is to upload every Monday. And just like every Monday I actually upload a video and like, I don't know, do content that you guys actually want to see. If you want to suggest any content you want to see, just go over on my Instagram at SophixGrace, and I usually have a pull up, or you can DM me any ideas, or you can comment down below. I always could use ideas because I tend to not have good ideas. So yeah, I just really want to be more consistent on this channel and on my TikTok and Instagram. Also SophixGrace. I just really want to grow as a person and my channel and my like the career I want. And the career I want. I just really want to grow as a person with my social media accounts and really achieve what I've been wanting to achieve since I was like 10. So alright, next I'm going to go with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer by ColourPop. I think I said it was by ColourPop, but anyway, this is in shade Fair 07C. So I'm going to apply that to my under eyes. I don't tend to use a lot of concealer when it's every day because it's just there's no point in it. So then I blend it in with the beauty blender. I can't even speak English. I really want to do some like fashion videos, but like I have no ideas. I have a very, in my opinion, unique style. I'm very girly, wear dresses and skirts all the time. I really love the girly look. I think that's what I can tell from my clothing rack. There's like dresses and everything on there. So I really would like to like do fashion videos, but I have no ideas. Like really, I have no ideas. And I really need ideas. So if you have any ideas for me, please let me know. If I have very bad blemishes, I tend to go in with the Revolution Pot Concealer in the shade Light Beige. It just looks like this. This is a new one, but if there's any like really bad blemishes that I feel like I can still see even though I have foundation and concealer on, I tend to put this over top, let it sit, and then blend it out. So yeah, let's go on to the rest of the base. Alright, to set my face, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. I can't speak English. It's just a loose powder, and I go in with a big fluffy brush, and I just dust that all over my face. I love this powder. I've been using it since I can remember, honestly. And if you could tell through all of that, my face products, I have very dry skin and I'm only oily in a couple places, so I tend to use more hydrating products just because of how my skin type is, but you can totally use whatever works with your skin type. So yeah, just remember that. Alright, so next I'm going to contour or bronze. I am so shaky. I'm so sorry. Why is it shaking like that? Alright, I'm going to contour and bronze now with the Wet n Wild Mega Go or Mega Glow, sorry, I can't read, contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. I just got this, and I honestly, it's so pigmented. It's like insanely pigmented, so I have to be very, very careful. But I've also learned that I really like a more fluffy brush for this, because especially for everyday, because I don't want it to look too harsh, and I want it to look extremely blended. I don't have any harsh lines or anything, so I like to use more of a fluffier brush when it comes to bronzer and contour for everyday. Now, if I'm going full glam, I will not do this. I'll be more precise about it. It just gives me some color, and I don't look pale as a ghost. Then I just kind of throw it down the bridge of my nose. I mean the sides of my nose, not the bridge. Don't do that. Make sure everything's really blended, and then I tend to kind of blend it down my neck a little bit so that I don't look insane. And there you go, very simple. So now we're gonna go on to blush. All right, for blush, I'm gonna go into the Kat Von D Duo blush set in the shade Light. I don't really know. The back of it's kind of destroyed, so I don't know. And I'm gonna take a round top brush. I'm just gonna swirl it and lightly put it on my cheeks. Just again for some more color. That was disgusting. But here is how my base is looking so far. I like it pretty simple, not too much. But I don't tend to do my everyday makeup all the time because, you know, it's everyday. It's my simple makeup. I tend to do very extravagant eyes and stuff when I go to work, especially because we have to wear a uniform. So it's more fun for me to just do eyeshadow and stuff. But this is how I would go if I'm going like out to go shopping and like I don't need to look so interesting and fancy. Or if I'm going to school. But you know, who goes to school? Because I do online school. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Kylie highlighter in the shade Ice Me Out. Just with a fluffy fan brush and lightly add some highlight. Lightly, as I literally blind you guys with highlighter. Alright, now I do my brows. I'm so shaky. I'm so sorry if this camera quality sucks and if this video kind of sucks, but I'm doing my best. I'm so sorry. I'm going to go into the I can't even speak English. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. Just look like this. And I'm going to go in with the angled brush. Of course, this is Jeffree Star. We do not support him, but I had already owned this before all that went down, so please excuse that. And I'm going to go off camera and I'll be back with eyebrows. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I tend to do very neutral things whenever I am just going out and doing everyday things. So it depends on what palette I'm going to use, but today I'm going to use the Going Coconuts by ColourPop palette. It is a very pretty neutral palette. So it just it kind of depends on how I do my eyeshadow, but it tends to be very neutral and not overly loud and crazy. So first I'm going to go into the shade Shredded, which is this light tan color right here, which is a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dip that into my crease. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Coolada, which is right here, and I'm also going to mix it with the shade Lovely Bunch. I'm going to put that on the outer corner just to darken things up. Very lightly though. I'm going to drag it to my lower lash line. See, we're going very simple, nothing crazy. Perfect. And now if I want to go a little bit darker, I'm going to go into the shade Nutty, which is right here, very lightly, and I'm going to just smoke at that bottom and kind of lightly bring it up. Just like that. It really doesn't add too much, but it still makes it a little bit of a pop of a darker color. See? So pretty. And I'm going to drag that to my lower lash. I think it really makes my eyes pop. I really love it. On the other side of this Urban Decay smoky brush, I'm going to go into the shade Cocoa Crush, which is that one right in the middle. It's a shimmery pinker color, I guess. And I'm just going to pop that on my lid just for an add of shimmer. Alright, and lastly I'm going to go into Palm Reader, which is this white color. Same brush, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. Sorry, not the outer corner. Just for a little bit of a touch of sparkle and brightness, because it's me and I love sparkles, so yeah. Alright, and lastly I'm going to put on the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. I'm not going to curl my lashes. I don't usually do it for my everyday because my lashes tend to be kind of long anyway. So, you know, I don't have to worry about that. This is hard to do without a mirror. I'll be right back. Alright, and that is the finished makeup. I'm going to come back all dressed and my hair done, and I will show you what it looks like at the very end. Alright, so I just did my hair in a bun, but I didn't actually change anything, but it's fine. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Comment any other videos you guys would like to see from me. But yeah, I'll see you next Monday. Bye, guys.